Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. And in today's video I'm really excited. I'm going to be actually doing a plan with me in my micro for April. I have been waiting to use these cute little die cuts that I recently got on Amazon, and even though it's after Easter, I still wanted to go ahead and use them because I cut too many. I also wanted to quickly just show you some other stickers I'll be using that come from my shop, and I'll be using these in this spread. I love these sticker sheets. They're actually one of my most popular items in my shop. I will be using some from a couple of other brands, but mostly stuff from my shop, and these numbers right here are also from my shop. So I wanted to also show you guys these note cards that are also in my shop. Like, I'm really here for the gingham, so check out my shop when you can. I'll link it down below. Now, for my little micro, like I said, even though it's after Easter, I still wanted to try to do some fun spreads because I feel like in March I didn't do enough fun Easter spreads. I was so focused on St. Patrick's Day and I was just so caught up with the crafts. It was so much fun. Make sure you check my recent posts because I've posted some really cute spreads. So, with this spread, I thought about using these cute little die cut peep bunnies and just lining them across the bottom of both pages. I thought it was the perfect amount of bunnies. So I was just going to simply probably just like glue them to the page or something and then just add some stickers on top. I will be using just some simple Elmer's glue on this page, and I'm going to go ahead and get the bottom half glued. Y'all, let me start by saying that unfortunately for this video, some of the footage won't be available because I was filming. My phone is filmed from above and I had a notification saying that my storage was full and I didn't even know. I did the whole entire spread and then boom, it like stopped halfway. And I'm not starting this spread over. It came out so cute, but I did not want to start it over and waste material. So I'm just letting you know, you're going to see me put these super cute bunnies on. But unfortunately, I'm sorry, you're not going to be able to get me getting the stickers. But I am going to show a super cute montage at the very end of the entire spread. So here I use my books as a paperweight when I need to hold something down. And then I am gluing just the other page so I can put the other bunnies on. And then when I put the other bunnies on, the idea I had was to use each box sticker of each color from each of my sticker sheets and just line it across the top. I thought it was going to be super simple and organized, yet really cute and colorful. I am here for color when it comes to spring. Spring is actually my second favorite season due to the colors. Fall is my first favorite season because of the weather. So while I'm making sure everything is adhering, I'm looking through the stickers and I wanted to show you guys the line stickers that I was going to use. And I was just going to use all the same kind of stickers across the page, which I thought was going to be super cute. I was also thinking of using these little white bunnies that I did only because I try not to waste material. So I'm trying to use everything else I have that is remaining from the last month with St. Patrick's and all that good stuff and Easter. Enough of that being said, I'm going to go ahead and trim the bunnies off from around the edge so that it's not hanging out of the book and in the way of the holes. And then I will go ahead and apply the stickers. So here's how my spread looks. Y'all, it came out so cute. It's the colors for me. I don't know what it is. It's the colors. And the paper that I use for the background makes it even more colorful and stand out. It is so adorable. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my micro because I like to see how it also look in my micro too. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then you guys will see a montage at the very end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had such a fun time putting this spread on, and I just simply wanted to share this video just to share some kind of inspiration. I know there's been people looking for more micro happy planner content, and guys, I'm putting it out, but I am trying to put out more. So stay tuned. I have some more super cute, fun pastel spring spreads coming, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.